In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change text color on a Miro board. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and how to pick colors that make your content clearer, more consistent, and easier to read for your audience. First, open your browser and head over to Miro. You can use any modern browser, and the steps are the same whether you're on a Mac or Windows. Once you're in, you'll land on your Miro dashboard where your projects and boards live. If you're working with a specific team or project, make sure you're opening the board where the text you want to update is located. Open your Miro board and navigate to the area with the text you want to change. Click once on the text box to select it. You'll see a small toolbar appear right above the selected text. This is your quick formatting bar. Look for the option labeled Text Color. It's usually represented by an A with a colored underline or a palette icon. Click that and you'll see a selection of colors you can apply instantly. Choose the color that best fits your design or branding. As soon as you click a color, the change will apply immediately, so you can preview how it looks right in context on your board. If you're updating multiple pieces of text to the same color, you can select multiple text objects by holding Shift while clicking each one, then use the same text color control. Aim for good contrast. Light text on dark backgrounds or dark text on light backgrounds is easiest to read. If your board background is busy, consider adjusting the color to something that stands out without being harsh. When in doubt, pick a neutral tone like black or a dark gray for body copy, and use accent colors for headings or callouts. If you don't see the formatting toolbar, double-check that the text object is actually selected. Clicking inside the text to edit it will also reveal the toolbar. Zooming in slightly can help if the controls feel cramped on your screen. And if you change your mind, just open text color again and choose a different option until you're happy with the result. That's all there is to it. You went to Miro, opened your board, selected your text, and changed the text color to what you needed. A small tweak like this can make your boards cleaner, more accessible, and more on brand. Thanks for watching and enjoy designing with clarity in Miro.